What up guys? Welcome back to another lesson. So, kung makikita nyo guys, gagawin ko ulit yung lesson 17 kasi napansin ko what the hell just happened. Mahina yung volume and ayaw kong ganun. I just don't want na mahina yung volume tapos mapipilitan kayo magano. Kahit ako mahina ba yung volume? Parang mahina eh. So, I'll just redo this. So, kung nakita niyo naman yun, basically, just want to add up in Python that you can do the basic operators like ginagawa natin during elementary, which is the addition, subtraction, division, multiplication, and other stuffs kung nakita nyo na to. Ganon. So, for example, ganito guys, print result. So, alam nyo na to basically, ang tawag dyan. So, it will just print 20, let's say, subtraction 0, of course, then multiply, which is 100, then divide 1.0. So for example, let's divide 10 by 2. It will be 5.0 because 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So, ganon basically. So, ganon. Kung ganito guys, ano pa yung diniscuss ko nung time na yon. So, also the PEMDAS, of course, the parentheses, exponent, multiplication, division, addition. So basically, it also applies here in Python kasi guys, basically, lahat naman sa lahat naman na programming languages, I mean, kasi it's math eh, it's math. Yan ang yung rules. So, i-follow natin. So basically, ganito, number, ano yung example kung ginawa yun, gawa na lang tayo. So for example, 5 plus, write ko in a 5 plus, for example, 5, then, for example, ano ba to dapat? So, let's make this multiplication. Then, let's make this times, let's say, plus 2. Ganun ba? So, kung ganito, it's basically 32.0. So, ano dito yung mauna? Basically, wait lang. Ganito tayo. So, exponents, I think, ganito. So, exponents, ganyan. So, it would be 34.0. So, ganito, una niya is parentheses. So basically number which is 10 divided by 2. It's basically 5.0. Ganyan. So anong sunod? Parentheses, exponents. Ano ba yung may exponents dito? Eto. So 2 raised to 2 guys. So it's 4, right? So it would basically like plus 4 kasi eto is 4, di ba? Oh my god, I need to recheck it. Of course, yeah, it's 4. Ganon, so, since ganon, 4, so, una niyo yung exponent, sunod, anong sunod? Multiplication at saka division. So, may plus dito at saka multiplication. Alin dito ang mauna? Of course, ang tawag dito, it's multiplication. So, it would be 5 multiplied by 5.0, ang tawag dito 5.0. So 5.0 times tawag dyan 5.0 times 5 basically I think 25 point sorry guys kung medyo ganito ako. So ganyan, so magiging na to 25.0 kasi di ba mas mauna to multiplication, di ba, kaysa sa division, di ba? Na-track niyo yung nangyayari. So magiging ditong is plus dito, then 5. So i-add na natin tong lahat since addition naman siya. My God, Jesus Christ. Yeah, so it's 34.0, di ba? Tama guys. So basically ganoon, I just want to add up that in Python yung PEMDAS basically ina-apply niya rin. So ganito ang tawag dito. So, ibahin ko na nga. So, kung nakita nyo kanina, yung ginawa natin yung number divided by 2, it's basically 5.0. So, meron ako ditong inad about floor division. So, ano ba yung floor division? So, kapag linagyan mo dito ng, oh my god, nababurp ako. Wait lang. Kapag naglagay kayo dito ng isa pang, ang tawag dito, kung ano man tawag dyan, is basically magre-return siya yung whole number. Kasi guys, remember in Python, kapag nag-divide kayo or you perform a division operation, ano ba yun? Ang return niya or yung result is a float data type. So, kung gusto nyo gawin na parang ganito na whole number, you can just do a floor division. So, kung magtataka kayo ulit, bakit ba tinawag na floor division? As I mentioned before, Basically guys, inspired ata yan doon sa tinatawag na floor function at saka ceiling function. If computer science student ka or IT, maybe nabanggit na yun sa inyo. So, in a subject like data structure ata. Kasi kami noon, naalala ko data structures. It was data structure. So, dito may papakitang simple, graph. Kasi guys, for example, meron kang number na 2.31. Etong graph na to, di ba? 0, 1, 2. Ang tawag dito, line number ba tawag dito? So, yung floor niya basically is eto. So, tsaka yung ceiling niya is eto. So, ganyan. So, ang 5.0, basically, ang floor niya, di ba, kapag ganito, ang floor ng 5.0 is basically 5. Ganyan. So, hindi ko na to talaga i-discuss because ibang topic na to. So, I suggest you search about it on the internet na lang. Ganon. So, yeah, ganon. So, one last thing, and also may link pala ako dito linagay. So, yeah, ilalagay ko to sa description down below. So, another thing you can do is, ang tawag dito, etong in other programming languages, guys. Like, for example, you do let's just print the number. Hindi pwede yung ganito. So, it basically throws a syntax error. Ganyan. So, if you want to do like yung ginagawa natin in other languages, like yung plus, basically increment, what you can do is yung ganito, number plus equals 1. Ganyan. So, adds 1. Gusto nyo like anything or another, for example, 2, basically 12. Ganyan. So, some would say, as I've said before, na eto is the same lang to kung sabihin yung ganito, number is equal to number plus, for example, kung ano yun dito, which is 2. Pareho lang to, sabi nila. But some also say na ito kasing statement na to, as I mentioned before again sa video na yon, is you're reassigning number to this expression here. So, yun. And also this one, ito daw sinasabi is like incrementing yung numbers. Pero I don't see the difference. Pero, yun, just letting you know, guys. So, yeah, ganon. So, and also I put here a link. Gusto nyo nilalagay ko tong link, guys, sa mga Stack Overflow questions kasi binabasa ko rin to, like, sinesearch ko rin and binabasa ko, like, kung maganda itong i-share kasi very, very clear yung mga explanations sa mga tao doon kasi, yun nga, alam niyo naman na Stack Overflow. Ganun lang, guys. So, ano pa ngayon? Okay, one last thing in Python about these basic operators na pwede nyo magamit. So, ganito. Hindi ko to nabanggit doon about yung sa last video. For example, you have a name. For example, you have a name is equal to gels. Ganyan. So, for example, imagine you guys in other programming languages, how would you do it na ipiprint nyo ipiprint nyo to 10 times or let's say 5 times. Ano gagawin nyo? Mag-for loop kayo, di ba? For I is equal to 0. Well, in Python, pwede nyo yung gawin na ganito. For example, name times 5. Then, ipiprint niya 5 beses. 1, oh my god, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Lagyan natin space para may, hindi na, wag na dyan dito nung sa unahan. So, basically, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ganyan. Diba, you see the trick? So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Basically, ganyan, diba? It's so weird na pwede mong i-multiply ang isang string sa So, well, it's Python. So, ano masasabi natin? So, ganyan, guys. Another trick that you can do. For example, gusto nyong i-print ang name nyo, like how many times, then you can just multiply it, ganyan. So, wala na kayong gagawing for loop. So, ganoon lang, guys. Ganoon lang. So, thank you so much. Again, ginawa ko ulit yung video kasi yun nga, medyo may na yung volume. I-replace ko to doon sa i-delete ko na yon. So, yun, guys. Thank you so much. Thank you.